Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Insights and Interface. In this new video, we will understand the understanding of UX design. So let's start the video. So what is UX? UX stands for user experience. It is the overall experience a person has while interacting with a product, service or system. Let's understand what is the UX process. So UX is a step-by-step process that puts users at the center of every decision. So at the first, we do research, understanding users, their needs, behaviors, and pain points. And then we define the problem, like analyze insights, define the real problem we need to solve. And at third, we ideate that problem. We do brainstorm ideas and explore different solutions. And at fourth, we do prototype, like create wireframes and prototypes to bring ideas to life. And then we test this prototype with real users to gather feedbacks and validate ideas. And at last, we do improvement, like refine the solution based on the feedback what we have done in the task number 5, and then we keep improving this. And this is all about our UX process. So in this video we understood what is UX and how does UX works. So thanks for watching this video, and if you feel this will helps you, put a like button on it and do subscribe to stay connected with this channel. Thank you.